Customer relationship management, commonly known as CRM software, is a tool designed to manage all of your business's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. It is used to streamline processes, improve profitability, and stay connected to customers. Many businesses start managing customer data using spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel. While Excel can be a useful tool for basic data management, it has limitations compared to dedicated CRM software, especially as the business grows. A CRM system like Salesforce offers several advantages over using Excel for customer data management. Firstly, centralized data is a key advantage. All customer data is stored in a single, accessible location within the CRM. This eliminates the problem of scattered data across multiple spreadsheets, which can lead to inconsistencies and difficulties in tracking customer interactions. Secondly, improved data management is another advantage. CRM software provides automated data entry and validation processes that ensure data accuracy and consistency. This reduces the risk of errors and ensures that the data is reliable. Thirdly, enhanced search and sorting is a great benefit. CRM systems have powerful search and filtering capabilities that allow you to quickly find the information you need. You can search for customers based on various criteria such as name, address, phone number, purchase history, or custom fields. Fourthly, there is the automated workflows. CRM software helps to streamline customer interactions and processes with automated workflows. For example, you can automate follow-up emails to new leads or send reminders to customers about upcoming appointments. This saves time and improves efficiency. Fifthly, customer segmentation is a good tool to have. CRM software allows you to group customers based on specific criteria, such as demographics, purchase history, or interests. This enables you to target your marketing and sales efforts more effectively. Sixthly, reporting and analytics are a good measurement. CRM systems generate comprehensive reports and insights that track customer trends and measure performance. This information can be used to identify opportunities for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Some of the data input it allows for is basic information, demographic information, sales history, communication preferences, personal notes, and custom fields. The basic information includes things such as name, address, phone numbers, and email addresses. Demographic information can include things like age, gender, location, and occupation. Sales history can include purchase history, order details, and payment information. Communication preferences include things like preferred communication channels such as email, phone, or text. Personal notes or custom notes for internal use, such as payment reminders, customer preferences, or interactions. Custom fields are customizable fields to capture specific information relevant to your business, for example, loyalty rewards, and referral sources. Let's go over some of the reasons why a dedicated CRM system is better than using an Excel spreadsheet. 1. Collaboration tools are important to facilitate teamwork and information sharing among different teams. For example, sales, marketing, and support, as they all can benefit by working together and by sharing the client details and what they have done for them in the past. This ensures the customer has a consistent experience. Some of the benefits of using a CRM software include improving customer communication, tracking sales activity, optimizing marketing campaigns, and delivering personalized experiences that enhance customer loyalty and satisfaction. By having all the information in a single location in an organized way, this saves time and money and reduces errors. A customer relationship management system provides a centralized repository for customer data. This ensures that everyone in your organization has access to the same information, eliminating data silos and improving communication. CRM software automates many of the tasks associated with customer relationship management, such as lead nurturing, email marketing, and customer service. This frees up your time to focus on more strategic initiatives. Customer relationship management software provides tools for segmenting your customers based on demographics, purchase history, and other factors. This allows you to target your marketing and sales efforts more effectively. By tracking customer interactions and analyzing customer data, a customer relationship management system can help you identify opportunities to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Many customer relationship management systems integrate with other business applications such as accounting software and marketing automation platforms. This allows you to streamline your business processes and improve efficiency. Cloud-based customer relationship management systems are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This allows you to stay connected to your customers and your business, even when you are on the go. Customer relationship management systems are scalable to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, there is a customer relationship management system that is right for you. Customer relationship management systems provide a variety of reporting and analytics tools that can help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Customer relationship management systems provide a secure repository for customer data. This helps you to protect your customers' privacy and comply with data privacy regulations. Customer relationship management systems can help you to improve your customer retention rate. By providing excellent customer service and building strong relationships with your customers, you can encourage them to stay with your business for the long term. By leveraging a CRM software, you can improve customer communication, track sales activity, optimize marketing campaigns, and deliver personalized experiences that enhance customer loyalty and satisfaction.